Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. In this video, we will learn how to change IP of Hikvision cameras. So stay with me and let's start. Now we are on the laptop screen. Open the camera, turn it on and connect it to the laptop. After that, open sadp tool in laptop. Now camera is connected to the laptop with an Ethernet cable. Now you can see default IP of camera is showing in sadp tool. You can see the camera is currently inactive. First, select the camera and create a password for it. And remember this password because it will be useful to you later. When you are adding it to the NVR, the camera will not be added without this password. So select the camera IP and enter the same password twice. I am typing a password that I will always remember. In this, we cannot make the username a password, so we will change the password. We cannot type admin in the password. Make sure your password is strong and complex. We successfully create a password. After this, we will fill the security questions. You can fill as you can remember. And it will be helpful if you forget the password. The second step also has been completed. So save these settings and select the camera IP. And here you will change the IP which will match your internet provider. You will also change the subnet mask and gateway. After this, type the camera password and save it. You can also change the camera IP in your NVR. In another video, we will learn how to change IP from NVR. Now refresh the SATP tool and see that IP has changed. And we successfully changed the IP.